Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy extra baggage on Emirates. To buy extra baggage on Emirates, these are the steps that you need to take. First, you need to visit the Emirates website at emirates.com using any browser of your choice. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to either create your account or to log in using an existing account. Now, whichever one you choose. Once you log in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Emirates. Now, once you logged in successfully, the next thing that you like to do is to navigate to the Manage My Booking section. Now, you can find this option in the homepage, which is here. At the top corner, we have these tabs: book, manage, experience, verify, loyalty, and help. Click on manage. Once you click on manage, that takes you here. So now you have manage, cancel your booking, choose your flight, and you have manage that, then change your booking, check-in options, upgrade your flight, book accessible travel, and you have check-in options. So here, before you fly, you have baggage. So head over to the baggage tab, and once you head over to the baggage tab, under it you have checked baggage, purchase more baggage, baggage services in the buy, cabin baggage, extra checked baggage allowance. So click on purchase more baggage, and you see a couple of options that allows you to do that. So your standard baggage allowance depends on your routes, class of travel, fare type, and Emirates Skywood membership tier. You can buy extra baggage allowance online for less than you would pay at the airport. And you can also use a combination of cash plus miles to bring down the amount of cash you need to pay for your excess baggage. Otherwise, in most cases, you can pay for extra baggage allowance at the check-in desk in the local currency or through your local Emirates office at current exchange rates. All right, so this is how, so say when you buy extra baggage before you check in, so they offer special discounts, and you could just go ahead and click on manage my booking and follow the prompts to purchase your extra baggage. So there are a lot of things that you need to read from here, like the buying additional with the airport, see how it works, check the fare, additional prices, the charges, and just a couple of others. So once you do that, the next thing that you like to do is to click on this manage your booking button. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the next thing where you can now add your last name, your booking reference, and click on retrieve booking. Now once you do that, it's going to take you to the booking details page. And once you access your booking, look for an option that says manage your baggage. Now this usually appear in the extra section or under baggage. If the option is available, you'll be able to add extra baggage allowance. Emirates typically offers additional baggage options in kilograms or piece-based allowances depending on your ticket type and route. So you can choose how many extra kilograms or pieces you want to add to your baggage allowance. Prices for additional baggage may vary depending on the route, weight, and class of travel. And once you've selected your desired extra baggage, proceed to payment. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred payment method. Now review the total cost for the additional baggage before completing the transaction. After payment, you receive a confirmation that your additional baggage allowance has been added, and you can also see the updated baggage details in your booking. Once your extra baggage is added, you can check in as usual. During online check-in or at the airport, your updated baggage allowance will reflect the extra weight or pieces you purchased. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.